What I'm watching statewide throughout this week is really that the first signs of winter could show up for some in northwest Nebraska as soon as tomorrow evening. But here closer to home, there will be an increase in some fire danger leading into Tuesday, because out ahead of the front that we'll be tracking through the state, we'll face some very strong winds on the order of 45, maybe 50 miles per hour tomorrow. So some dry conditions going to lead to an increase in fire danger across southeast Nebraska. Meanwhile, once that front finally makes it here by Wednesday morning, we'll see some storms develop across eastern Nebraska to bring us some more rain back into the forecast. And then behind all of that, some cooler conditions in time for Halloween and clearing out for a nice Halloween and a holiday there. So a lot to talk about in this forecast this week. Some cloud cover out there right now and a little bit of wind, actually keeping temperatures in the 60s as we're starting out this Monday morning. These temperatures closer to average highs at this time of the year kind of puts it into perspective just how mild some of these temperatures are running this early Monday morning. Still in around 60 degrees in Omaha and Nebraska City. 63 though here in Lincoln. Upper 50s out to the west. Now falling down to about 55 degrees in Kearney with highs today. That'll be, of course, a lot warmer than average temperatures. We're talking about middle, upper 70s, even close to 80 degrees for some that may see the sun poke out a little bit more throughout the day today. South winds today, not all that bad. 10, 20, noticeable gusts around 30 miles per hour. But tomorrow, wind gusts 40, 45, potentially up to 50 miles per hour if these models are underdoing it, which they can do throughout the afternoon and evening hours of tomorrow. So no really surprise here that there is a fire weather watch for across southeast Nebraska, southwestern Iowa. That'll be in effect tomorrow morning through tomorrow evening. This will likely get upgraded to a red flag warning, just meaning that we've got to be careful throughout tomorrow to not spark any fires, not do any activities that could lead to a fire, because one could spread fairly quickly under those conditions tomorrow. Now, showing you stormcast tomorrow, we do see some partly cloudy skies throughout eastern Nebraska, but there it is. The first signs of some winter, some snow trying to mix in the northwest corner of the state through Sioux County, just north of Scotts Bluff. And then that same front will track east throughout Tuesday night into Wednesday morning, starting to drive some scattered showers and thunderstorms across eastern Nebraska throughout the later morning hours. But you see how quickly that comes together throughout Wednesday morning into the afternoon to hopefully bring us some good rain and some thunderstorms without too much of the severe weather. But we are in a marginal risk across eastern Nebraska for potentially some small hail and some isolated gusts up to 60 miles per hour. So that takes you through the first half of the week. Behind that system, cooler for Halloween on Thursday. We'll be clearing out for Friday, November 1st, but then we pick up with the rain chances again for our next Husker home game Saturday and through Election Day next week.